Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom. Today we're in Albion, Maine at Johnny Selected Seeds, and we're talking the Precision Vacuum Seeder.
The Precision Vacuum Seeder allows you to seed multiple trays very quickly with high accuracy, saving you time and money. It's perfect for the small to medium-sized market gardener. The Precision Vacuum Seeder consists of a transparent cedar body, allowing for easy inspection for clogged or empty holes, and an aluminum cedar plate that is made to fit your specific tray model. Be sure to tell us which seedling trays you will be using so your plates can be custom made to fit snug. This includes the name of the manufacturer and the number of cells in the tray. If you are using an uncommon tray size, we may need to ask you to send a sample. We offer various plates with countersunk holes for round or very small seeds, and plain or flat holes for oblong or irregular shaped seeds. It is important to choose the correct plate for your seed size and shape you are using. Plates can be changed out by simply removing the 4 screws that hold the plate in place with a Phillips head screwdriver. These screws go down into the corners of the plate, through the cedar body, and into 4 rubber feet with a nut located at the bottom. Replace the plate and fasten in place. Only tighten enough so that the rubber washers on the screws and the foam strip along the edge of the plates compress slightly, creating a tight seal. Plug in the small shop vac included in your vacuum seeder kit into the port at the top right side of the cedar body. The on-off valve on the right side of the cedar body allows you to cut off the suction so the seeds can drop into your trays. The bypass valve on the left controls the vacuum pressure inside the cedar body. The 2 valves are used in conjunction to effectively hold the seeds in place until you are ready to drop them into your prepared seedling trays. Make sure you're using ear protection when using a vacuum seeder for long periods of time. Turn on the shop vac and open the on-off valve all the way before sprinkling seeds over the surface. This will minimize multiple seeds sticking to the same holes. Distribute seed evenly over the plate by gently tilting it side to side and forward and backward until you have 1 seed per hole. Always adjust your valves for the seed you are using. For instance, smaller, lighter seeds require very little airflow and a lower vacuum pressure to stick to the holes, whereas larger, heavier seeds will require more pressure. Carefully hold your seeder upright or at an angle to move excess seed away from the holes. Before you seed your trays, you can choose to dump excess seeds out into the collection tray or store them inside the unique storage compartment on the top side of the plate. This compartment has a lip so the seed will stay in place when the seeder is turned upside down. Avoid accidentally closing the on-off valve prematurely or the seeds will drop from the seeder. If you are having difficulty getting seeds to stay in the holes, you may need to adjust the suction or remove debris with the orifice cleaner provided. Place the seeder over the top of the tray. The angled edges will help you to center the plate properly. Once it is in place, close the on-off valve to cut off the suction and drop the seeds into the cells. It can be helpful to lightly tap the cedar body to release excess seeds from the holes.
Jen, thanks. That was awesome information. And where can folks find more about this?
Please check out our website for more information about the Precision Vacuum Seeder, including plate recommendations for vegetables, herbs, and flower seeds.